Let me show you how to make a rib roast with Paradise Steak grilling seasoning. The Key West spices are bringing out a beautiful caramelized crust on this roast. I'm ready to cook this beauty with Key West Spice Paradise Steak Grilling Seasoning. Into the oven. And here it is, seasoned perfectly with our Paradise Steak Grilling Spice. Take a look at this slice. Isn't it just gorgeous? For more recipes, visit us at keywestspice.com.